What's up, my beautiful butterflies? It's the Awakened Butterfly, and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please stay for the entire video. And if you like the content, please subscribe. For all of my day one butterflies, I love you guys. I missed you, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to talk about something important once again. In one of my videos, I forgot which one, but I did mention something about when you're having a spiritual awakening, you'll have a ringing sound in your ears. And in the medical world, it's known as tinnitus, which is known as the ringing or buzzing sound in one or both of your ears. Um, it is common in 25% of people, um, especially adults. And it, like I said, it is very common. And the reason why it's mostly considered in adults is because as we get older, we begin from childhood to teenager, we begin to have a spiritual awakening. Some people do have their spiritual awakening as early as their teen years. Um, Around that time, you may start to hear a ringing or a buzzing sound in both of your ears. It may be mainly in your left ear because that is the side that is connected to the divine feminine and the spiritual realm. So, as with clairvoyance being the ability to see and um, communicate with spirit, um, clairaudience is the ability to receive information from the spiritual realm, which your angels that God has protecting you, God Himself or herself, or your angels. So just know that, you know, if you are starting to meditate or starting to tap into your spirituality and you start to hear that noise, that's what it is. A lot of times, guys, a lot of medical things that we are diagnosed with and they treat you for, it's not actually a medical condition. It could be a symptom of a spiritual awakening. And a lot of people don't believe that. They don't want to hear it, but it really is the truth. And once a lot of us start to wake up to what's really going on around us, we will understand that. So, I mean, it's normal to not believe it if you've never experienced it and if you're not going through a spiritual awakening. But I wouldn't advise anyone that is having tendonitis symptoms to go and run to a pharmacy and get eardrops or try to treat themselves for it, putting things in their ears, going to a doctor, because really that's not what it is. Um, like I said, also during a spiritual awakening, even though you can get it in both ears, you will mainly hear the buzzing and ringing noises in the left ear. Once you start to hear these noises, please think about what's been going on in your life at that time, maybe any situation, things you've been meditating on or thinking about or reflecting on at that time. Just, you know, and oh, and also, guys, when you hear the ringing in your ears, also look for any angel numbers that you might see at that time, because your angels are trying to communicate with you. Um, let's see. Also, during that time that you may have that buzzing noise, you could also, right along with having your spiritual awakening, you could also have a depletion of energy at that time. It could be something that you're doing and you're putting all of your energy into and you're not receiving anything back, and it's just depleting you entirely. And that is the spiritual realm waking you up, telling you that it's time to regain balance. And also the left side, you mainly hear it in the left side at that time, because that is more of your nurturing side and caring side. Like I said, it's connected to the divine feminine. So if you are in the presence of a narcissist or energy vampire and you're giving them your all, and you're going through a spiritual awakening at that time, you probably will at one point start to have a loud buzzing noise in your ears. And like I said, look for any angel numbers at that time. Um, it's like to me also when you're in the presence of someone draining your energy and you have that buzz in your ear, it's like an alarm clock for a narcissist or an energy vampire. So always look out for that, guys. Um, this is a short video. That's pretty much all I had to say today. I just wanted to come through and share that with you guys. And I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please share this video and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a video. And until the next one, peace.